Hey guys, so I bought these at the Dollar Tree, all the wood planks, and this is a super easy project. All I did was spray paint them black, and after that, I went ahead and glued the pieces together, and I used Loctite glue, Ultimate Grab Glue, and it works wonderful. And I will leave that description below. And then once I finished gluing it, I went ahead and I sprayed another coat on top just to kind of cover some of the glue you could see. And I had added another piece in the center, so I had to paint that as well. So then after that, I used ornament lights, and I also got those from the Dollar Tree, and I just glued them onto the back, and that is it. So easy, and it's such an adorable little idea for Halloween. So I hope you enjoyed my tutorial today. And if you already subscribed, thank you for watching. And if you don't and you think this video is for you, make sure to hit the subscribe button below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.